Hello, family and friends. Welcome to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy this beautiful hairstyle where you'll learn how to do a flower updo. Hi, friends and family. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, please go ahead, like it, subscribe to my channel, and also ring the bell. And please don't forget to comment your favorite part. Until next time, bye.